Did you know that YouTube has tons of full-length movies available for free? But here's the catch. Not everyone can access them. In this quick video, I'll show you how to find these free movies on YouTube, even if that free with ads section isn't showing up for you. First, head over to youtube.com/movies. Scroll down and look for free to watch or free with ads. These are legit movies provided by YouTube. No subscriptions or sketchy sites. You'll just have to sit through a few ad breaks, just like regular TV. You can find everything from action flicks to comedies and documentaries, all in HD. Now, if you don't see that section, here's what's going on. Free with ads movies are only available in select countries, mainly the US, Canada, the UK, and Australia. If you're in Europe, YouTube hides that section due to licensing restrictions. You can try switching your VPN to the US, refreshing YouTube, and checking again. You should see a row labeled Free to Watch or Free with Ads. If you're using the YouTube app, that section might not show up even if it's available in your area. Try opening youtube.com/movies on a desktop browser instead. It usually works better, but even if you can't find Free with Ads, there are still legal free movies on YouTube. Check out official channels like FilmRise Movies, Popcornflix, and Cult Cinema Classics. They upload full films that you can watch for free, no matter where you are. So now you know how to find YouTube's free movies, even if that section's missing for you. Like, subscribe, and enjoy your next movie night.